We have parked, but something's not right. We look around and understand. We are too close to the right car or the left car. There's a trick right for such cases. Let's call it the 4-step rule. 3 steps forward and 1 step back. Let's talk about it in more detail. We are driving the red car. We are too close to the white car. The first step is to turn the wheel in the right direction. We need to move further away from the white car. Hence, we need to turn the steering wheel away from it to the maximum. Move away a meter. The second step is to straighten the wheels. To do that, count the number of your steering wheel turns. You need to move about 3 or 4 meters with your wheels straightened. The third step is to turn the wheel in the opposite direction, in the direction of the white car. Move forward again, until you are parallel to the other cars. You can use the mirrors. Thus, we have made 3 steps, and all of them forward. Now we've got the last step. Move backward with your wheels straight. If the first attempt wasn't very good, you need to repeat all of these steps. That's all. See you later. The author of this lesson is Sergei Novakshonov, translated by Ksenia Kogan, Prima Vista Translation Agency.